What's up, YouTube? So today, this video actually isn't going to be about my car. It's going to be my friend's car here. It's a 2002 Honda Accord LX Coupe. Don't mind all that. He had a splitter, but it flew off. Dang, man, he's supposed to let the window down.
Bro, I just farted, bro.
Stank ass nigga.
My fucking stomach hurt. I'm tired, nigga.
Alright. So what you about to do today?
I'm about to change this mother freaking muffler. I don't even know if I got it with me, to be honest.
Pop the trunk. Let's see. Yep, there it is. Big old cane. Yay. All right, give us some stock revs. It's not bad. We're going to get on the road.
It still sound deep, boy.
I know, it sounds good, I ain't gonna lie. It low-key do.
I ain't feel like doing it.
Boy, about to get that muffler changed. There you go. It's gonna be about that time.
Bro, Honda about the best for reliability.
Don't sound bad. Just got the muffler did. Let's see how it sounds.
It's a little cool now.
Yeah. They don't sound too much different. Do y'all hear them dupes? Hold up. Oh, he done. I was about to say the deeps. Oh, there you go. Shit, loud as hell. So, Quan, how do you feel about the sound of your muffler?
I fucking love it. I freaking love it.
Rev your shit. Disturb the people. Woo, this shit sounds good, kind of good. We're about to get ready for the power. Your car pulled pretty hard.
Yeah.
Like you actually get put in your seat. Sounds good. But we definitely about to mess with the silencer though.
Oh God.
For real.
You can't just take that bitch completely off?
No, I think your silencer is like inside of the muffler, but we had to like switch it around so it opens up the holes. Hopefully this isn't all the way open, because it shouldn't be. If it is, I'll be disappointed.
Yeah.
Disappointed.
Muffler,
Alright, we back home.
Not gonna do too much because I already got a fucking ticket.
Yeah. Homeboy got a ticket just now. It's tough.
I wouldn't even speed that much.
I knew you got a ticket yesterday about that shit too.
I know, I got a ticket yesterday. Oh, let me step back. I'm gonna try to take the time. I ain't gonna lie, that just sound real good.
What if somebody be like, call in the fucking cop, nigga?
When that cop come back, bitch, didn't I tell you?
Bro, this nigga say he caught me at 75. I was looking at my shit going 60, bro.
Lie to your ass, bro.
60, nigga. And I'm riding beside people. I'm riding beside, bro.
Bruh, how the f he catch you, or did he just say that because he just wanted to?
Bro, ain't no way I was going 75 though. I mean, I was speeding because I thought it was 55. I thought it was 55 on that.
Yeah, but he probably got somebody else, but he seen the way your car looked. Like,
Duh, of course he did. You see a sports car, be like, man, fuck it. That's what, bro, that's what he did to me yesterday. Nah.
if he want to pull you up for your tag, he's gonna pull you up with something else. He's like,
I know, cause
not no bumper, bro.
well, nah, that shit actually legal over here.
yeah, it's legal here, not in California and shit like that.
What you
Despite my tag or anything like that, I knew he was gonna cover me regardless. Cause as soon as I had passed him, he immediately just started driving towards me.
I knew you were coming for me. I was like, bro, I ain't did nothing. I'm going 60, bro.
Y'all know crazy. I had a dream about all of us continuously getting pulled over last night.
Look at us, bro.
Getting pulled the fuck over.
I wasn't even going fast, bro. That's the thing.
I knew he was gonna pull me over, bro. I just knew it. As soon as I passed his ass, I knew it.
He got out there. I seen right when I passed him. I was like, look at this nigga. I said, watch he pull me over.
All right, so we got the silencer out. This thing's still hot, ain't it? I think it was squished all up in there.
Bro, I hope that bitch.
Boy, there's no telling how loud it's gonna be now.
I hope it ain't.
We about to see.
I hope it's like kind of the same, but not the same.
Yeah.
Let me back in.
We're gonna see. You get pops too. Nick, you gotta do it to yours, bro. Keep it off, bro. Keep it off. Oh my God. Bro, do not put it back on. Keep that shit off. Drive down the road.
That shit was popping?
That shit sounds good.
Your car might probably do pops and crackles like mine does now. Oh my God. So you gonna do yours?
Hell yeah, that shit sounds good as fuck.
If y'all don't know what I'm talking about that Honda over there. Honda. That just sound aggressive. It pops. Well, here we go. I ain't gonna lie, it sounds like it's like for Need for Speed or something.
Hell yeah, it sounds better than the ones online that they
I know the people online, theirs be sounding sound crappy. I was expecting this to sound like, you know, like a fart can or something like that, but it don't sound like that at all.
That's what I thought.
It sound like the Civic SIs I be seeing around here. $20 muffler, can't beat that. Only $6 to put it or weld it on. $20 muffler. So this is an $80 investment, my guy.
That bitch $30. Yeah.
How much
$80?
you pay for this shit? Like
$60. He only paid $60.
Somebody exhaust. $25.
Exhaust, what you talking about?
You paid like $25 for your exhaust?
Oh, you talking about that muffler. You don't sound like the Civic SIs that be rolling around here.
God, that shit so fire, nigga.
Let's get a, maybe I should do a cold start in my car. I ain't about to run my shit though. Here, hold it.
Don't take your fucking silencer out.
God.
I know.
That bitch is too low. No fucking way.
I was thinking about why? Like, what the fuck? Oh, damn. That shit, bro. What the hell? That shit is crazy, bro.
And that's with the silencer, bro. If I take it out.
Did y'all have the muffler on when he pulled y'all over?
Yeah. I mean, it wasn't like loud or nothing though. It's still not loud.
Hell no. Not like that shit, nigga.
Yeah. That's cause my car complete straight pipe, like headers and everything. So it's complete straight pipe. Headers, straight pipe. Nothing. No resonators, no nothing. I want to rev it just for the video, but this shit loud.
Fuck it, do it. They call the cop, we gone there. Trevor just one little and then stop it, boy. About to do some nut shit. See, you did too much. I'm out. Waking niggas up while they goddamn sleep. What? Young black guy is about to do a little pool. About to wake up everybody in the neighborhood. Get the cops called on us like I just didn't get a $440 ticket with us. Look at this stupid ass. Fuck. This boy's a fucking dummy.
So fucking loud, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Get the goddamn tree.
G gone. Bruh, I'm getting my shit straight fight, bruh. I refuse to let this nigga shit be louder than mine.
That shit's so fucking loud, bro.
I'm scared.
I am too, bro. I know that shit gonna be super loud, though.
The engine and the exhaust isn't hot enough, so I can't do it.
Damn. Boy, you ugly as hell. On your ass. Look at this boy. Trevor should just be bound in the scrape, boy.
You look like you drag race that bitch.
That's it. Oh, this nigga chill. Trevor, I'm sorry, but if they call the cops, I'm gonna have to tell on you, my boy. Bitch, you going to jail today. They were like, who has that engine, nigga? I'm a goddamn bow! That.
All right, so we're at the muffler shop, about to get ready to put the muffler on my brother's car. So just waiting on this Honda right here. Let me zoom in. A little rice bucket. No, I'm playing. I don't know if we got a wheel in that truck or not. But it shouldn't be too long. This one right here. Now my brother's car going up on the lift. We're ready to get this muffler. Should sound good because we took the silencer out of it this time. Man, that muffler is hella big. No wonder it's so damn quiet. Almost done. Oh, it's done. We about to hear what it sounds like. What it sound like a straight fart can compared to yours. That joint was up.
Oh, that boy Nicky Poo. Hold on now, nigga.
I was about to rev it.
Wait till we get on the road. That don't sound stupid better, bro.
Oh my god.
That shit sounds so much better.
You sound like a no control car.
blow my damn phone.
Look at that. That almost sound louder than yours.
I might see what my sound like.
So how you feel about your
It sounds
exhaust?
much better. It sounds like a fucking some before, but now it actually sounds like a Honda. And now I'm about to go street race my shit, even though it's slow as fuck. I don't care because it sounds good.
Oh really?
Yes.
Only $80. $80 across the board. That's all it costs for the little Honda. And this is the 4-door, obviously. So you can customize 4-door, just like you customize the coupe. How you feel about your exhaust?
I got the best car in Aiken.
So it's better than mine?
Yeah. I don't know now.
I don't know about all that.
Lamborghinis.
It's a Porsche SUV early.
I seen that fucking.
It was turbo.
Hell yeah, you can hear this.
I seen the 240, bro.
Where?
Bitch was white.
Oh yeah, I know, I seen that.
Built, bro. I was, damn.
Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. We'll see y'all in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, the usual.